I gotta eat now. Make sure it's not a king. Hey, that made it worth it, huh? I gotta come and check that out.
Hey, get your camera, take do a thing so you can put it on your channel. Yeah, get your camera. That way you can put it on your channel. First one to the beach.
We got a fish over here. She got. Liz got a fish. Nice silver. 6 pound. Yeah. Sweet.
Okay.
That's what we're looking for.
Okay.
Sweet. All right. We're over here trying to catch something.
Oh, found another one on the ground?
A different one, yeah. Okay. That's got a hook in it too.
Yep.
I use small hooks. Small hooks, yeah. Can you tie your own? I can feel it. Yeah, I can tie it. Because I got small hooks.